Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dewalt USB charger is probably one of the most versatile and reliable charging solutions for your power tools and other USB devices. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs, considering its durability, charging speed, and compatibility with various devices, ultimately guiding you towards making an informed purchasing decision. Number 5. Dewalt DCB094K Charger Kit. This kit is a game changer for charging your Dewalt batteries. It's designed for both efficiency and convenience, making charging a breeze. It doesn't matter if you have a 20V max or FlexVolt battery, this charger handles them all. Say goodbye to compatibility issues. This charger features a USB-C port, capable of charging your Dewalt batteries and other devices up to 100W. It's incredibly versatile. Need to charge your phone or tablet? It also has a USB-A port for charging mobile devices up to 12W. The two-stage charge indicator keeps you informed of your battery's charging progress. You'll always know its status. With its fast charging capabilities and multiple USB ports, it's the ultimate charging solution for your power tools and personal devices. Get yours today. What we like. It charges all your Dewalt batteries and also has USB-C and USB-A ports for your other devices. The charge indicator keeps you informed. If you need a versatile charger for your Dewalt tools and personal devices, this is the one for you. Number 4. Dewalt Angled Dual Port Charger. It features angled USB ports, so you can still use the outlet next to it. This means no more wasted space on your power strip. It delivers 2.4 amps to quickly charge your devices. Get back to work faster. Charge 2 devices at once without slowing down charging speeds. Perfect for busy mornings. Its small size makes it ideal for tight spaces and hard-to-reach outlets. No more struggling to plug in. It's made with a durable exterior that can withstand daily use. It's tough enough for any job site or home. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. Charge your iPhone, Samsung, and more. What we like. Its angled ports won't block other outlets, and it charges quickly. Plus, it's built to last. If you need a durable and efficient charger for your phone and other devices, this is a great option. What people say. It charges well in an average time. I really like how it mimics Dewalt tools' durability and looks, just like their cordless line. Its compactness, fold-down prongs, cord ports at angles allowing for other outlets to be accessed. They are both durable and well-built. My iPhone 12 Pro Max will go from 20% to 80% in about 30 minutes with this setup. I like the angle of the USB ports and the sockets hold on to cables very well. The overall construction is sturdy and I anticipate it will last a long time. Number 3. Dewalt 24W USB Car Charger. It delivers an optimized charge to your USB devices. This makes it the perfect car charger for both iPhones and Androids. Fast charging ports deliver up to 2.4 amps to each device. Charge 2 devices at once, saving you valuable time. It's built tough to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its rugged exterior can handle the wear and tear of any job site. This charger fits seamlessly into your car without blocking your dashboard. Enjoy a clean and uncluttered look. Take it with you on the road for quick and easy charging. Never be caught with a dead battery again. Get yours today and experience the difference of a powerful and reliable car charger. What we like. This charger has 2 ports for simultaneous charging in your car and is built tough for the job site. If you're always on the go and need reliable charging in your vehicle, this is perfect for you. What people say. I use these in all our vehicles now because they charge fast, last a long time and are made very well and better than the Apple or any other brands of chargers. Works well. Good construction. Should last a while. After going through 3 to 4 chargers, this one is way above the rest. Worth the little extra cost. Don't waste money on the others, get this. Number 2. Dewalt DCB090 USB Charger. This handy adapter is compatible with your Dewalt DCB09018V 20V lithium-ion battery. It's small, lightweight, and perfect for taking on the go. It features two USB ports, each providing a 1.5A output. Charge your phone, camera, or other small electronics with ease. This adapter boasts a high-brightness LED light, providing illumination for over 24 hours. Use it as a job site light, flashlight, or emergency light. It's more than just a charger, it's a multifunctional tool designed to simplify your life. Keep it handy for all your charging needs. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll provide excellent support. What we like. It's small, lightweight, and has a built-in LED light. It also has two USB ports for charging multiple devices. If you need a portable charger with added functionality, this is the one to choose. What people say. Unit works great. And it will give charge status to small Dewalt battery that doesn't have charge indicator button. These are perfect for campers. You can utilize your batteries for charging phones, tablets, lights on tents, speaker systems, etc. I live in Oklahoma, and this little sucker comes in clutch during storm season. Sometimes we're in the storm cellar for a while, and of course can't guarantee our phones are charged when the sirens sound. This thing is perfect for those scenarios. Number 1. Dewalt DCB090 Charger. This charger is built tough to handle anything a worksite throws at it. It's perfect for charging your small USB devices when you're away from AC power. It has two USB ports, so you can charge two devices simultaneously. Keep your phone and other devices powered up all day long. This handy charger works with all Dewalt slide-style battery packs. Just connect it to your 12V or 20V max battery and you're ready to go. It has a power indicator light, so you'll always know when it's ready to charge. No more guessing if it's working properly. A fuel gauge-like indicator lets you know how much power is left in your battery. Never get caught with a dead battery again. It's made from durable plastic and metal, so it can withstand the rigors of daily use on any job site. It's built to last. What we like. It charges your devices from your Dewalt battery, is durable enough for the job site, and has two USB ports. If you need to charge your devices when AC power is unavailable, this is a great solution. What people say. This does work and is well made. My husband is using his phone all day and has always had issues with his batteries notwithstanding the amount on time being able to be charged as he works construction and mostly without electricity. This product works great for him and helps to provide power to his USB charging cords. This is a great little device if you've got some 12V 20V max system batteries around. A 20V pack will charge your phone many times and I can easily get a full charge plus hours of use from a 12V pack with my Galaxy S3 or run any number of USB powered gadgets for quite a while. I think it's far better than one of those portable USB power packs, and cheaper since I already had the batteries with my tools. This is great on the job site or anywhere away from power and also for emergency preparedness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.